Hello students, now let's see how analog pins works. Let's understand how analog pins work. So, if you remember, we have 6 analog pins on the Arduino Uno. The number for those pins goes from A0 to A5. Note that on other types of Arduino board, you may also have a different layout, a different number of analog pins. That if you understand this lesson well, it would be easy for you to find it. And one thing you can notice here is that it's not just written analog near the pins, it's written analog in which means analog input. So by default, the analog pins on the Arduino are set as input pins, which means that in your code, you would not have to call the pin board function first. You can just use directly the analog pin to read values from an analog sensor. Now, how does it work on the Arduino Uno? When you read data from an analog input pin, you will get an integer value between 0 and 1023. The number will be determined directly from the voltage applied to the pin. So, an analog sensor is like you put on shower, which is basically a variable resistance, will simply apply a different voltage on the analog pins from 0 to 5 volts. The Arduino board will read this voltage and translate it into an integer number. So, for 0 volt, you will get the value 0 or 5 volt, you will get 1023. And let's say that the voltage is 3 volts. So, 3 volts is 60% of 5 volt, which means that you will reach the value 614. Any other value between 0 and 5 volts will give you a value between 0 and 1023. In your program, you can directly use these range of integers which will be easier to process than voltage numbers. So that's how analog input pins work. And now this is an important addition, and it may seem read but you can't use the analog write function on an analog pin. The analog write function is used on only some digital pins which have PWM functionality in order to write an analog value to activator. The choice of the name of the function from the developers of the Arduino library was maybe not best choice for clarity. So just remember that you can't use analog write on analog things. You can only read analog values. You can't write analog values. Okay, clear?